So in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can use the JSON builder, right? So this is the look at the JSON builder, okay? And again, you can type anything you want right here, so that you can perhaps if you've forgotten what you have built, you can read the description and figure things out. All right. So let's give it a different color, maybe something like this. All right, and let's create this package. All right, so again, right click, we should have an input. Okay, we should have a finish box. Right, so and then since we're looking at, okay, maybe we'll rename this. Right, so just result, and then we'll give this a name called input one for now. Okay, and then we'll right click again and click on the JSON builder. Right. So how do we use this, right? So over here we have got a key. So let's say we have one input. Okay, we will call it input one. Okay, which is so awkward, right? We'll call it input one. Okay, input one, and whatever value that we put inside here, now we'll pull it into this little space here. So okay, right. So type add in. You see this? You click on this. It should be okay. Right. So so this is like a very simple JSON. So if this input one doesn't make sense, so maybe we can start off by typing like message, okay, message, and then over here, message, okay. So you can see that as I change the label or the name here, automatically it will change over here as well, right? So for anybody who is not familiar with JSON, you always have a pair, a key and a value, right? So the key will be message, and then the value will be like what is meant by blue ocean, right? So the key could be um, so the key could be like model, and then the value could be like GPT-4, right? Or GPT 3.5, right? So key value, right? That's it. So I'm just going to label this. All right, let's call this the JV demo. All right, JSON builder demo. And then if we go to results now, we can say, okay, whatever is happening here, we want it to be displayed here. Okay, right. So you cannot just type it like you could type J add then J B or something. Then you click on this, and the name is called. You can call it anything you want, like the end result. And I want it in JSON, right? So I'm going to hit the run package. All right, it should. We've got 13 credits, so this should take up like maybe a 1 credit, right? So the message should be hello, uh, hello world. Okay, I'm going to hit the run package, and now it's done. So we can click on this, right? And the message in this case is the key, and then the value is hello world. So it's that easy, right? So you can see that because we have three boxes: input, and then the second box, right, which is the JSON builder, and then finally the last box, which is the finish, right? So total three boxes, three steps. Okay, and yeah, that's it. This is what we get, and that's about it, right? So so if you are looking to say make use of JSON builder to put it input so that you can do something along the way, like maybe you know, run this through AI and then have AI output the to a webhook, and then from the webhook you can now post on say, I don't know, Google Doc, Google Sheet, or maybe a WordPress, right? In fact, actually, there's a direct WordPress package right inside here that you can use. But if it's not to your liking because maybe it's too simple, then you may want to send this to Publi or to Zapier. Then yeah, so essentially this is what you do, right? So what is lacking in packages right now is incoming webhook, right? So in the next video, I'll show you what I mean, right? We'll we'll look at incoming webhook and out the webhook where you can send something out. So like the post, right? A webhook or outgoing webhook, right? And then you understand like how perhaps or we will get a better understanding, right, of what packages can or cannot do currently, and maybe what you can do in the future. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.